Hi, so let's look at the deals at Target for the week of March 17th through March 23rd. Take a walk in store. And what I used in store was the Target Circle app. And you're starting to see the new features with the coupons automatically clipping once you scan the items. I'm going to use the Ibotta app, the Fetch, and the Shop Me 'em. And if you don't have these, be sure to get them. The links are below in my description. The first item is the Colgate Optic White toothbrush. This toothbrush is $3.49, and if you scan it in the Target Circle app, this is what you're going to see. There's a coupon for $2, so you get it for $1.49. Next item is Love Beauty and Planet, and they have a shampoo bar, which is interesting. So if you want to try this product, if you've never tried it before, it's $4.99, and there is a coupon for $4.50. So you get it for like 49 cents. Worth grabbing it to try it. And the next deal that I saw here was on the Nexus. It's buy one, get one 25% off. And 25% off can be pretty significant, especially on a high value item. These shampoos and conditioners, one that I selected was $15.99. And there's a $5 Target Circle app coupon in the app. And then there's a $5 coupon for the second item in the Shop Me 'em app. And with the 25% off, you end up saving over $13, almost $14 off the products. So you could get two of these for $18, which is a 45% savings. And it comes out to be like $9 for the shampoo and conditioner. And the next items here is I saw in the travel section, this bedhead hairspray was $9.99. So I scanned it in the app, and it came up with a $3 coupon and buy three, get one free. And they're beauty minis. So perfect for traveling. So if you have some time, go around the beauty mini section and try to put something together. Another item, that I saw was the Vaseline. It was $3.49, this lip therapy. Buy one, get one 25% off. And then it's part of the buy three, get one mini free. So you get two of these, one of the hairspray, and then another item free. I'm not quite sure. I didn't try the deal, so I don't know which one they make free. Hopefully the highest one. And here's another one. This is a hair mask. It's only $1.99. This can fit very easily in your travel bag if you're going away for a week or so and you want to keep up with your hair mask routine. So a couple good deals going on with the minis. The next deal that we all need because the winter makes our skin so dry is this Vaseline lotion. And it's a little bit smaller bottle, but not too small. It's 10 ounces. It's a Cocoa Radiant. So you can get these for $3.99 each. There's a $2.50 Target Circle coupon, and they're buy one, get one 25% off. And then the second item, you can get a $2.50 from the Shop Me 'em app. So you end up paying just $1 each for these. Worth a try. The next item here is the L'Oréal Collagen Moisture Filler Daily Moisturizer. They're $8.99, and there's a deal going on right now. If you buy two, you get a $5 Target gift card on select L'Oréal skincare. There's a $3 coupon in the app, and then again, there's a $3 coupon in Shop Me 'em. So you see the rhythm here with Shop Me 'em. It's either Shop Me 'em or Swag Bucks that will have the second coupon. If you buy both of these, you'll get that $5 gift card. You'll save the $6 in coupons, and it'll cost you $6.98 for both of them. So $3.50 each. And then you've got this massive laundry detergent. This does over 100 loads of laundry. It's $9.59. There's a $5 Ibotta rebate, and Fetch has about 1,300 points, which is about $1.30 back. So you end up paying like $3 for this. It's worth it. It's a 66% savings. And then another massive laundry deal is on the All. This All is huge. over almost 100 loads, and it's $16.99. There's a 15% off all laundry detergent. There's a $1.50 Target Circle coupon, and it's part of the buy 3, get a $10 gift card. Excuse me. So this will be one of our items that we'll buy to get that $10 Target gift card. And then we'll get 2 more. The next one is another laundry deal, the Persil. This is $13.69, and there's a $3 Ibotta rebate, so you end up paying $10.69 for this. And then you can also get the pods for Persil. The $3 Ibotta rebate attaches, but you can only do one or the other. Then the third item towards a $10 gift card can be this $14.99 Glade diffuser. And there's a $4.50 coupon that goes with it. So in total, it's $7.70 each. The next item is this huge Palmolive. It's $7.99. There's a $1 Target Circle coupon. There's a 30% off Palmolive, and there's a $1 off on Ibotta. So you only pay $3.59 for this huge 70 fluid ounce Palmolive dish soap. I think this is an amazing deal. It cuts down on plastic, so you can grab one of these and fill your bottles or fill your soap dispenser at home. And then the last deal here I'll go over is this Claritin. So Claritin is $11.69 on sale from $12.99. Excuse me. And there's a $4 rebate in the app, and there's a $4 Target rebate, Ibotta rebate. So if you buy one, you can get it for $3.69, which is almost a 70% savings. There are more rebates, so if you need more, it ends up costing about $4.66 a bottle instead of $3.69 if you just buy the one. But you could use the Fetch offer for $5, Swag Bucks for $4, the Ibotta for $4, the $4 Shop Miam, and the $4 Target Circle, and you could buy 3 bottles. 3 bottles would be $35. With all those rebates, which equal $21 in coupons, you'd pay $14 for 3 bottles, or $4.66 each. I list all these deals on my Instagram, @ThriveSaver. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe.